Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save a document from Google Drive to a USB flash drive. If you want to keep an offline copy of your documents or transfer them to another computer, we will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Here we have a Google Drive document. To save it to a USB drive, keep in mind that the file is already saved in Google Drive. The first thing to do is right-click the Google Docs file, then click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Once it is done, the file is now on our computer. You can find it here. Now, all we need to do is click the file and right-click to copy it. Next, locate your USB drive. Go ahead and insert it now. Here is our USB drive. Once your USB drive is ready, just click to open it. For this example, this is our USB drive. Just paste the file by right-clicking and selecting Paste. And that's it. The Google Docs document is now saved to the USB flash drive. You can now access or share the file anytime, even without an internet connection.